One of the 5 top meteor events of 2013 peaks the night of April 21st, 22. Although the Lyrid shower doesn't get as much recognition as some summer and autumn showers do, it often puts on nice display. In a great year, observers can expect to see up to 20 shooting stars per hour, an average of 1 every 3 minutes at the peak. Unfortunately, conditions won't be ideal this year. According to Astronomy magazine senior editor Michael Ebay-Kitch, an 85% lit moon will share the sky with this meteor shower until close to dawn. The bright moonlight will drown out some faint meteors and render the bright ones a little less impressive.